Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we have seen almost 9 Python interview questions. In today's session, the next question what we have is 10th question. When we will get name error, when we are going to get name error in Python, because detecting the errors is very important job for the programmers. When we are going to get this name error, we need to see now. Listen carefully. So in your Python program, if you are declaring any object, definitely you are going to give some name for identification purpose in that object. Okay. For that object, you are going to give some name. Okay. So without that name, if we are trying to call that object, then we are going to get name error. Let me document this. When we declare an object with a, some name, okay, and when we are accessing when we are accessing okay when we are accessing it, if we are trying to use some other different name, so then we will get name error. This particular object is not available, like that we are going to get. Sir, best example, one simple example I will take. Consider we have one variable like I is equal to 111. I have one integer I is equal to 111. Can I print the value of I? Yes, definitely your output is nothing but what? 111. Like this we are going to get. You can see the output is 311. Sir, if I am trying to call this object by using capital I, what will happen? In this case only, we are going to get which error? Name error. Okay. If I am not wrong, so name I is not defined in your program. Like that it is going to display. Have you observed? Name I is not defined. This is nothing but so error message it is printing. I hope you understood very clearly when we are going to get name error in Python. When we will get name error, if we are trying to declare an object with one name, at the time of calling, if you are taking other names, we will get this name error. Okay, hope you understood very clearly, sir. Okay, thank you.